Hi, this is Isaac from WOODBRIDGE Kitchen and Bath. So today I'm going to talk about the quartz countertop options and why people choose quartz more and more. You know, we do a lot of kitchen remodelings, and one thing I see that more and more we are getting into quartz countertops because of the durability and stain resistance and many other factors. So let's go and see why quartz are better than granite countertops. One of our most asked questions is, what countertop won't stain? Well, the answer is so easy. Quartz won't stain at all. Spills like a red wine and coffee will be easy to wipe out with a damp cloth and will leave no mark after all. It's non-porous, so you don't have to worry about growth of the bacteria, mildew, and mold. Quartz is more durable than marble, granite, and soapstone. It's one of the hardest surfaces on earth. Quartz needs no sealant and no polishing like granite and marble. And because of the durability, it will always remain shiny and glossy, just as you see it right here. In 2014, Consumer Reports reported quartz countertops as #1 quartz countertop in the USA. So if you are designing or remodeling your kitchen, quartz is one of the best options to choose from. At WOODBRIDGE Kitchen and Bath, we carry many quartz options in stock. It comes in many different colors. And I'm very proud to say that our countertops are manufactured in the USA. Once you select your countertop option, the next step is selecting your edge profile. So we offer many different options of edges, and here are some of the samples. So we have eased edge, which is a little smooth at the, at the corner. And we have half bullnose. It's a little more traditional. And we have OG. OG is the most traditional for the houses that there are crown moldings and all those classic styles. I would definitely suggest OG edge. But most of the time we do standard eased edge because it has the more modern and contemporary look. So after the edge profile is selected, it takes 3 to 5 business days to complete the whole countertop project. So if you are in the market looking for countertop replacement or full kitchen remodeling, please call us and we will make sure to create the most beautiful kitchen of your dreams.